sorry.
I didn't mean to.
Poop water. Get a bucket.
Get a cocktail. Honey. No, Kaylin, the cup's gonna flow.
No, Kaylin, put this. Kim, it's not funny.
Guys, stop. I'm just trying to catch the water. There's no buckets in here.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's not funny.
Kaylin, stop funny.
Come on, you know what? Take these up and throw them down real quick.
Hold up.
Upstairs and throw them all over the floor.
You
Somebody
guys do that.
just go
I
upstairs
will.
and throw them all over the floor.
This is what happens when Kaylin. Oh. Ew. Ew.
Dude, don't even flush it again. Is this still recording?
I want to. It's funny.
No, they'll hear when we do. No, this is gonna be such a great story.
What?
Wait, no, wait, why is it going in the kitchen? It's like raining in our kitchen. I feel bad.
Same. Alright, now walk on them. Get it. What's that done?
You told me to flush it.
I knew something would be scared. Is it still on, okay?
Yeah.
This is what happens when Kaylin tries to flush toilet paper.
I don't want him to yell at me. I don't want him to like take me home.
He won't.
Okay, I have to wash my hand. It has poop water on it.
I know. It's on our feet too.
We're going in the pool.
We are.
No.
It's like a poop girl.
A poop girl. That was beautiful. That's gross, Andrew.
Is this still recording? No. Yeah. It is. Okay, don't put them over there. Put them over here. Because this is the wet area.
I need... Andrew, what do you wipe your hands on?
This one.
Is it clean?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do we do with this water?
I don't know.
Sorry, Air.
Does the plumber have to come? Wait, do you have one of those boom boom things?
Do you have a plunger?
Yeah, that thing.
I don't know.
I'll plunge it.
Same.
I like them. They're fun. They go. What the fuck?
I'm gonna tape you plunge it.
It's gonna overflow.
Okay, well, we need to do it.
Wait,
Go.
you know how to?
Yeah.
Yes, but there's nothing in it. So what's the point of it? Bubbled. Ew, this is nasty. Great, my mom's home. What is this? There's little...
Alright, now let it out.
Yeah.
No.
Like
See, it's going down.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
I think it is. It didn't go down at all. Just keep on doing it.
Oh,
Just push it really hard.
You have to get the towel out.
How do you even do that?
I just put the thing in and flushed it.
Why? How much did
Andrew
you put
told me
in
to.
there?
Let it know it would overflow.
I
It's
don't...
making noises in here. Is that a good thing?
Yes.
Listen.
That means it's unclogging.
You don't know that.
Oh, God.
Ew.
Ew.
Jerry, just sticking your hand in there.
Why? You get
Put the cord around the camera.
What do I have to do?
Put it in there. Put it. You deserve it.
put my hand in there randomly.
Yeah. Because it's
What's
funny.
the point?